So this is a completely different video than I make on my channel normally, but I want to make this announcement for you. I am starting a new business starting today called Tariff Manufacturing. While I'm starting and launching the business today, Tariff Manufacturing has been in the works for a few months now. I'm looking at right now 2 Flash Forge 3D printers. With regards towards plastic printing and resin-based printing, I can print anything that you need. Let me know. Come in contact with me. Let's get in touch. Any manufacturing need that you need, and if you need a product, you need a specialized manufacturer, I'm your guy. I have about, let's say, a decade of experience in the manufacturing and distribution industry overall. I'm very familiar with manufacturing, how it works, the manufacturing process. I have been on the ground floor and on the ground level in bulk plants and manufacturing plants and warehouses, etc. I've dealt with the blueprints. I've been in the planning committees. I have on every level touched these things from a technology perspective, but you don't spend 10 years dealing with executive level decisions when it comes to manufacturing and distribution and not learn anything from that whatsoever. And so if you have a manufacturing need, I want to be your manufacturer. I think that for a lot of people out there, you're going to be finding yourself looking for a brand new manufacturer, whether or not you know it today or tomorrow. You're going to be, and I'm your guy. If you want to, and if you need, if you have even metal printing needs, I have experience with metal printing as well. And in that industry, talk to me. I don't have metal printers set up at the moment. I'm fully set up, ready to go. I'll put your order and start your order today for anything that is plastic and resin-based printing. If you want to start up and you need a metal printing and you want to talk about like more long-term contracts, get in touch with me. I'll spin up for you next week. And, that's the bottom line, right? So I am fully aware of kind of what the economics of tariffs and reciprocal tariffs and trade wars and how all of that works. I'm not interested in getting into the economics of any of that in this particular video or really ever with anyone in a public setting. But what I will go into within that is I think that whether or not, no matter what side of the political fence that you're on with this situation, you're going to need manufacturing. And so that's why Tariff Manufacturing is here for your specific needs. I am a US-based manufacturer, 100% US-based, no tariffs, by utilizing my manufacturing. I look forward to getting in touch with you. I have cutthroat rates. I'll make you competitive. I will make my manufacturing competitive, and I will have these printers printing for you 24/7. They are ready to go and ready for your printing needs. Contact Tariff Manufacturing. Contact me today. Thank you very much.